one and then a two and then a three and then a four. Then you gotta breathe. Then you gotta.
Good morning, beautiful people, and happy Friday. Welcome back to another weekend vlog. It is Friday morning. I am taking Harper to her summer camp, and I have some errands to run, y'all. I have to go pick up my check from work because this one's a paper check. I have to do some grocery shopping, get some household items, put gas in my car, and that's actually it. And finish editing some videos. I don't know if anything else is happening today. We do have some guests staying in our Airbnb room this weekend up until Tuesday, but this weekend's gonna be good. Today, not too much is going on that we have planned, but tomorrow we're having a family fun day. We have a lot of things planned. Only EJ and I know what's going on, not the kids. EJ has a special surprise for them in the morning, and we're going to be out all day. Lots of things going on. And then Sunday we'll be going to church, which y'all haven't seen us in church in a while because we've just been on vacation. And that'll be it for the weekend. So come along. So a stop has been added to my trip. In Harper's summer camp group chat, they said bring money for lunch and the light rail, but they just meant to bring money and lunch. Like I was supposed to pack her lunch, which was not very clear, but that's okay. I'm gonna go get her a Lunchable and stuff from Target. All right, check has been secured. Now I'm gonna go to the bank. All right, y'all. Where'd I park? Oh, okay. Here's my little haul. Got me some sushi for lunch. All right, y'all. I'm at my next spot, Walmart. I want to finish my sushi before I go in. Why am I sitting in the car, y'all? Backed in, as you can see. I had my foot on the brake, even though I had the car in park. It's just a habit of keeping my foot on the brake until I turn the car off. This car next to me starts like backing up to adjust, and I thought that my car was still moving. I was freaking out, okay? When I tell you, I was freaking out. But this is good. What did I get? Dynamite roll. It had tempura shrimp, avocado, cucumber, topped with surimi and crunchy onions. All right, so Walmart, I just have to get a few things. Basically, getting snacks. Y'all, I just left out of Walmart. I wasn't getting a lot of stuff, but everything I got was kind of bulky. So this cart is overflowing. Bought my feminine products with our HSA because that's my feminine health. Like, I need that. So now let's load this in the trunk. Friday, let's put up groceries. All right, y'all, it's Friday. EJ and Reagan, we're playing 2K. And I'm about to get on the sticks.
Yeah, there you go.
They got me doing a tutorial.
Alright, there you go.
Harper, let me lay on my husband. Move.
You want me to sit on my daddy?
No.
At the end of the part.
No, I'm sitting on the end of the part.
Then I'll sit on the top of the part. Sit down.
I'm trying to stop it.
They lay at full capacity.
Yeah, I get to sit on Patty.
Nope. Go sit on your sister. She actually like you right now. Enjoy this time.
No, I don't.
What's wrong?
I want to play on my daddy.
Go ahead, Harper. All right, Reagan.
They have few.
Exactly.
Y'all see my competition? It is very poor competition. Oh, I'm finna rage. Y'all ain't finna like me because I'm gonna be screaming. I don't care if it's against key.
Reagan.
Triangle. First.
I figured that.
How y'all get the ball? That's cheating.
You was laughing at me.
I'm laughing at myself. Yeah, that's funny.
I guess.
What's pass, Reagan?
Reagan.
X.
Oh, I thought
The
I hit X.
most used button in this game.
Reagan says.
All right, this is our first surprise for Family Fun Day. We rented a truck. Wow, this is nice. So we're gonna drive this all day. We're gonna use it when we go watch some movies at a drive-in. But we got an F-150. That tit is smacked though. All right, now follow EJ back home and surprise the girlies. My bad, y'all. I didn't say hi. I just started talking. It's Family Fun Day. I cooked breakfast for the girls. Last weekend, I accidentally threw away Reagan's blueberry pancake. So I made them blueberry pancakes this morning with eggs and bacon and orange juice. So they're at the house right now eating while we're picking up the car. EJ and I are partially dressed. Hopefully they're getting dressed too. So we're about to go back to the house. We're gonna eat breakfast and then we're going to head out and start our Family Fun Day. I forgot what we're doing first, but y'all will see. Come on. Here we are inside the truck. So much room for activities. Got a moon roof, double. Ooh, ooh. All right, headed to the first stop.
My phone died yesterday.
Bless me, God and me. Bless me, God, not just for me, but so everyone around me can have everything they need. Let all these folks that's with me, God, have everything they need. See that?
All right, y'all. We're at the animal shelter. Our first stop. Gonna look at some doggies. Y'all been here with us before.
Let's eat that one. Take that one.
Yeah. Look at those ears. Hi, Sky.
Sky. Oh, yes.
He older than Champ the way his mouth hanging. Oh yeah, he's 4. 4. That's a Chihuahua. Harper. Stop number 3 on our family fun day tour. Top Golf. We're on the 2nd floor.
Alright, stay back here. Ain't nothing changed. Oh, okay. I'll leave that there. Okay, go ahead.
Hit it hard.
Hit it hard.
All right, EJ's coaching Reagan. Watch out, baby.
Put it on the ground. Put it on the ground. But you also, I was on you. You gotta hit hard.
Yeah, don't be afraid to hit it,
Don't be
Reagan.
afraid to hit it. It's your practice first.
Yeah. All right, y'all, we just finished Top Golf, having a little bathroom break before we go inside. It was so hot. We have one more stop. They're gonna go to lunch. I can't tell you where we're going next. Yeah, I'm in here with Harper. But yeah, we're going somewhere just inside to cool off, and then we're gonna go to a restaurant.
Mom, you can say that, Mom. I want to hear it after.
All right, y'all, we put our names on the wait list for the restaurant. We're going to Cowfish because Reagan's been wanting sushi. So now she can get sushi. Hair looks fine. It's on the other side. So we are walking around the mall right now. We had to stop and take a bathroom break because we drank so much water in Top Golf. It was bad, real bad. I've had hot sake. Reagan reminds us that she's still a kid.
Oh, this I'm excited about this. T made this all the time.
No. Reagan's being silly.
Hey, find out where that corn dog place is and we'll stop there on the way home.
The girls that had too much excitement. They in here barking like dogs.
Hey, don't tell them. Take that out.
Yeah, check that out.
They sleep.
Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? All right, y'all. Let's try this cold. All right, here we have Korean corn dogs. Mine has potatoes and hot Cheetos. EJ just got hot Cheetos. Wording, bro. All right.
Oh, maybe change it. I don't think. Yeah, that's too much cheese.
This is like a fried cheese stick.
What I said too.
All right, y'all, we're back in the car for part 2. Lipstick is gone.
beef at?
Hair is down. We have to make one pit stop before we get to our destination. But we went in the house and we rested and we finished watching Instant Family. We started watching it last night. And yeah, so here we go. All right, you all, we arrived at our last destination, which was the drive-in movie, and we were going to set up all the blankets in the back and have our cooler with our drinks and stuff.
Wait till I get my money
Fuck out of my way, I'm gonna get paid, yeah. I wanna get paid, yeah. Just give me my moolah, la la. Get the fuck out of my way, I'm gonna get paid, yeah. I'm gonna get paid, yeah. Just give me my moolah, la la. I really like your body. I really like your body. I really wanna get naughty. I think you're such a hottie. Slow dancing in the party. Oh yes, bring me the money.
Horrible job.
Hello, vlog. Here we are. Yeah, I was gonna say. It's Sunday. We're in Walmart.
Late night
we went to
trucking.
church earlier. Good service. Took the truck back. Yeah. Now I've been forced to go to Walmart by these two. Reagan dropped her phone in the toilet yesterday, so it won't charge. It's dead. So she's here to get a wireless charger until she can see if her phone will actually dry out. Harper, come on. So that's what we're doing. EJ went to a pool party with Andre and David. So I'm stuck with these two. Okay. So if something happens, I'll come back. I'm just here to close this video out and say thank you so much for tuning in. But before you go, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.